Here's a move that actually does move delta down and suggest that you have got a bit of continuation. So this is that P-shaped reversal in the Bund. This was the area in focus around about the 171.30s. This is the point where this market needs to bounce from if this is to remain P-shape. Now the first couple of times down there, delta's not really doing a great deal, stays sideways, and in fact then starts to build as we move back up. We come down there again, over here, delta's now starting to tip to the downside, and it's the few candles just before that actually start this tip. And so what you're then looking for is, you can see delta's already starting to drop. You're looking for the confirmation. And what I mean by that is you're looking then for a push in delta, so more selling on this move. That's what you're looking for to really get this move going. So here we go, just got the ladder to load itself back up. Trading around 30s, you can see a bit of size down here at 28. And that's a bit of a tipping point. Through 28, that was the previous low that we sort of spiked through. But on the bounce there, look at delta, it does not bounce in any way. Whereas on the previous bounces, very quickly, delta starts to increase just here, straight off the lows, it starts to increase straight off the lows. This is a change in pattern. We see delta drop by over 1,000 on this little move down here as it trades through the 28. So showing the aggression of the sellers. This then is confirmation of a trade that you're looking for. Now I'm using delta more as a case of you're already looking for this because you can see that pattern that it won't break the flag to the upside. So you know people are trapped. You're then using delta as an added conviction. If it breaks 28, you want to be short anyway. As the delta comes in and it sells and sells and sells, there we go, there's 100 in, 700, takes that 28 straight out and starts trading back down. Just what you want to see on a breakdown move. It's not super fast, but the delta is dropping. So you've now just seen delta have a bit of a surge lower. It's already negative anyway, so that sort of negates the move up a little bit. Starts to push lower, you start seeing more size down here, and we attack that again, another 100 goes into it. This is where you're thinking, yeah, this move is on now. You've got through the single prints, we can now be targeting down towards these lows which come in at 13, which we do eventually get to. The only big worry in this was when you got this big delta surge the other way, but that does not really change the complexion of the move. And that's the difference there. It would certainly put some doubts in, and the fact that delta starts to build down here would perhaps put a few doubts in as we get down towards the open. So that could be your first area possibly to come out of this. But in terms of, and this is the important bit, you're using it to help you get into the trade to look for that break of the low. And that's exactly what we got. It's that push through that 900 and then it sold again and again and again. That's what you want to see. Delta at this point had then dropped. This is where your conviction should be high to at least get down towards the open. There we go, another 300 trades into a bit of size, and this is where this move then continues down. So it's that confirmation of delta to help play a move that you're already looking for, and that's what's really important. Right, last thing to go and have a look at, and the play of the week. I mentioned this morning, this was your last chance area. 129 down towards 28.90. We dropped onto it today and we have found the bounce. So